Welcome back to Hail Recon. Today, we are going to do a quick walkthrough on how to add users. It is an easy process, but we recently made some small changes. When you are signed in and looking at the Maps page, click on My Account in the top right corner, and then click on the Account Dashboard button. On the left-hand side of the screen, go ahead and click on Team. You will get a little drop-down list. Adding a user is a two-part process. First, we will have to invite them as a team member, so click on the button that says Team Members. Here in the right corner, you will see a blue button that says Invite New Member. Click it. You'll get a window that pops up and prompts you for the user's name and email address. You will also be able to select their marker visibility, meaning whose markers can this user see and edit. The first option gives this user access to their team's markers and their own markers. This is mainly for larger companies. The second option gives this user access to everyone's address markers. The third option will only allow this user to access their own markers. There is an option to assign them to a team, but this is mainly for large companies that have multiple locations nationwide. Once you have entered your team member's information, go ahead and click Invite Team Member. This will send that person an email inviting them to join the account. The email will have a link that says, "Follow this link to set up your interactive Hail Maps account." When they click on the link, it will ask them to create a password and accept the invite. Your last step will be to assign them to a user seat. Over on the left side of the screen, click on User Seats. On the right side, you will see a column that says Action with two buttons. To assign your team member to a seat, simply click the Edit button. A window will pop up with two fields. In the first box, you will select the user you want to put in the seat. And in the second box, you will select if they are a salesperson or an administrator. Admin can make account changes like adding and removing users or upgrading the account. Once you click Assign Seat, they should be able to sign in if they have already completed their steps. Go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.